guys, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to your girl Crazy Tash. I'm back with another video. Well, this video is like a chill vlog. Mom and I we're going to the mall, you know, just to browse our eyes and stuff. I have a gift card that we want to clear off, so that's what we're gonna do. What you say? Huh? Yeah, so that is the main purpose. I'm gonna come out of the house a little bit. It's Sunday, so you know, just gonna come out of the house a little bit. I did a nice little updo, and I put some powder and blush on. That's literally it. And I did my eyebrows a little bit. Yeah, it's a cute look. And you know, some liner and lip gloss, somewhat. Yeah, so we're gonna walk, go take the bus, and then we get to the mall. So we'll come back to you guys. Mommy's over here looking to make sure she have everything that she needs to have. Yeah, stay tuned. So guys, why I would leave the house to go check if it's gonna rain, because the sky bleaky. I don't know if you can see it. The sky is bleaky, so I might to check the weather, and it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain in the next hour, and it's 50%. I won't have no umbrella, so I might have to go stop and buy one. Where? I don't even know where. So can't go away. So some small ones here. Is the first one? Can I get pink? No, pink. Pink bright still. Like a shocking pink. Let me get a blue. So guys, we're going in H&M to see if we see anything. They have light jacket, but they don't have any jacket. But I don't like this wash though. Let's get the elevator again. Escalator, baby. Wait, I get confident now. Guys, I will see how she step off. See how she step off. Alright. What's it out? Guys, being at the mall is not for the faint of heart. My God, we're tired. And we did plan to go and go cook. Okay, if that happened today at all. You wanna go to Gap? You get 5 for 27. Guys, we're trying to get wall fragrances. Guys, I went to Aunt Annie's to get something to eat. Hi, can I have a pretzel dog, please? Would that be all today? Yeah. Thank you. Alright. What's your response on it? How you like? You like it? Sister, if we never buy the umbrella, what I get, what they don't get. What is someone? Not much. I'm sure the people are going on. Look out to them. That rain. That's rain. This is Mommy's first time having Starbucks alive. She's 30, but the first time she has come at Starbucks inside the building. And I've got her a caramel frap. And it. She don't know. But let me see if she likes it. Tell me how it is. So that's what we're waiting. Alright, she likes it. Just sit down in here and eat. My hair is, oh my god. It's oatmeal in it here. It's oatmeal in it. Guys, we just reached home. Hands are washed and everything. So we stopped and we got some papayas. But a family meal because can't cook again. And tea. It's literally what, 7.50. I'm like, I'm bet you 13. I'm gonna know. So there. Can't say right. I want the chicken anyway, so we're gonna grab on this and then we'll give one now a quick haul in a few, and yeah, me soon or later on in the week. I don't think I'm gonna vlog for the rest of the week, probably on the weekend, but I'll see you when I see ya. Alright, so we're back home, and as I promised you guys, a little haul. So went to Bath and Body Works. So we purchased at Bath and Body Works were these fragrance wall oils. So we only got we got this flavor, linen and lavender, because it was buy 5 for 27. So we got linen and lavender. We got cranberry orange seltzer. This is really nice. It's like a fruity and happy smell. The linen lavender is fresh and relaxing. Champagne toast, fruity and happy. Definitely know that the cranberry and the champagne toast is so good. The smell of it was so good. Next we went to, I'm not doing them in order, but we went to Old Navy as well. Old Navy was more like mommy, and the only thing I went there to get was a water bottle, because I literally have to be carrying literal plastic water bottle to work, like the actual water bottle to work. So this will be better, and I can put stuff in this too, like my lemon and stuff when I'm ready for my detoxing and stuff. So yeah, we also went to Forever 21. Don't mind if the bag is wet, because I told you guys rain is falling. I was looking for a knicker, so I got this one. It looks like it's a men's shirt, but it fits me nicely, so I got this. And Forever 21, me get this from? No, let me get this from Charlotte. Yeah, I got this from Charlotte Russe. I got that from Charlotte Russe. I got 2 tops from H&M, and then from Forever 21 I literally only got this top, you know, perfect for the summer as well, a nice little top. And I got these no show socks. You know, it's perfect for like, especially like when it's summer now and I don't want to always be wearing socks. So those type of shoes are, even with my Crocs I can wear these and stuff. So you know, sometimes I don't want my feet too exposed, or I don't feel comfortable with my feet in the shoes itself. At least I have this as a little, you know, preventative. So yeah, and that's practically all we got, and we hardly had to spend much. Those were all, majority of these things, or practically all of them, were on the gift card. And we went to Starbucks as well, and we had another gift card. So yeah, we had a time, and as I said, we bought papayas for dinner, so we had a time. So yeah, stay tuned for the next clip. See you guys in the next vlog. Not next, the next clip, the next video. Soon come.
If I broke down my business, I'ma tell you right. All I care for the night. And I've been living fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my life.
Guys, next clip. So a girl did her hair. I couldn't remember, because you know me, I was late, so I never get to vlog the process. But at the moment we're heading to a little picnic, or alma mater or alma mater picnic, alumni picnic. So that's where we're heading right now. you know, in our cute little fits. I have on a shorts and some ones and mommy. But we kind of low-key last because we don't know exactly where we should go. And sun hot. I last one me I come in like every time. Well, last. Can't bother. Hmm? What you say? Oh yes, I do. Much bigger this year. I'm gonna look cute. I look cute. The white people plus
Who's ready for the sack race? Go over to see Go for Boss. We got the man called Henry, the show and space.
So here we go. Howdy Mall. This is the big race right now. Okay, don't false start. Mr. Go for Boss, you start it. Okay, I can start it. I'm gonna start to remember the finish line. Oh, come here, so I need somebody on the finish line. I need two people on the finish line. Alright, get a stringer or something for the finish line, but what I'm going to do now, I want to let you know that this is the Class 1 sock race. I just want to know that you are volunteer to run in race. If you break a bone, you're on your own. Don't see the association. I want to make a big disclaimer. Everyone who participates in any event at this association, you are participating voluntary. If you break a bone, you're on your own. So stay strong. So here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go. And here it all. Miss Beauty in the middle. Followed by Mr. Shatter. Oh, Miss Beauty. Mr. Shatter. Miss Beauty. Oh! I think Miss Beauty got it. What a race. We've never seen it before. We've never seen this in the history of the association. No one has ever failed. And Mr. Shatter was right there. One more round. This is it. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Time for one on already. Yeah, let's go. 2 and a half. 2 3/4. 3. I think I've never seen a dance like this.
Salad. Ashon, do you like my hair?
Yeah.
You do? Okay, thank you. You like my hair, Ariana?
Yes.
Yeah? Hey guys, so I couldn't come back yesterday because it was really just a really long day. We didn't go to sleep till like after 1 because my cousins came over and all of that, and you know, you see how the sun did hot yesterday and all those activities. We were having a grand time. It was such a great time. So I'm literally here just to close off the vlog right now. Yeah, it was a vibe. Trust me, it was genuinely a vibe. But I'm here to tell you guys thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed the vlog, and this is where I'm gonna close off this week's video, or this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for your continuous support, and you know, remember to tell a friend about the channel. You know, if someone doesn't know about the channel, just tell them, please, because I really need the help. I really need it, and I'm trying to be as consistent as much as possible. Yeah, I'm trying to get content for you guys. So you know, I'm trying. I always tell you something I try, but don't see something I try for real now. I post more consistently and such. So yeah. But on the other hand, you know, as I said, thanks for watching, thanks for the support so much, and you know, just remember to like, comment, and share the video. Thanks for watching your girl Crazy Tash, and remember to join the Crazy Gang family over here. Thank you so much, and peace out, peace and love, everything good, and all blessings. Bye guys.